Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we got a one-of-a-kind 1969 Ford Mustang. And this car is just astonishing. I mean, look at that. Got original cluster here. Got an aftermarket style 2-knob radio. In fact, we can even see right here that the clock right above the glove compartment still works. I mean, this car just screams perfection. I mean, literally right now, as I'm steering it, it's smooth, brakes, not even a turn in the wheel. Go up the street here. Drives real smooth, no issues. Literally one of the best Mustangs to ever come through our showroom. So, take a look at our website at skywayclassics.com. We're going to turn this around and get her on the lift.